Model, 2009 Ford Transit Mk7 85 T280s Fwd. Low mileage, long MOT, ready to drive and work. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 111182. MOT, the 21st of September 2025. Engine, 2198cc TDCI 85 PS DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.